Tip 1. Adding apples to eggs makes for a fantastic dish. First, you need to prepare 3 cups and brush a thin layer of cooking oil inside to prevent sticking. This step is very important because it will help the food to be easily removed after baking, without breaking or sticking to the sides of the cups. Then crack 1 egg into each cup. Then add 1 teaspoon of starch to each cup. Add allulose or sugar. The most important part right now is the apple. Cut the apple in half and remove the seeds. Apple seeds contain substances that are harmful to health. Next, slice the apples thinly, then cut them into slightly smaller pieces so they blend easily with the eggs during cooking, resulting in a softer and tastier dish. Then put it in the cup. Once finished, you can gently stir to ensure the eggs and starch are well mixed. Finally, bake the cups or put them in an air fryer. Bake at approximately 110 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Upon opening, you'll find a fragrant, smooth, subtly sweet, and incredibly unique apple and egg dish. Enjoy it while it's still warm for an even more delicious experience, a simple yet creative dish that's sure to surprise you. Tip 2. Crack tress eggs into a large bowl. Then, using a tablespoon, separate the egg yolks into 3 bowls. Prepare 3 round eggplants and remove the stems. Choose round eggplants for easier handling. Then, using a spoon, remove the seeds and pulp from the inside, repeating the process for all 3 fruits while maintaining their original shape. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After removing the seeds and pulp, gently place the eggplant on top of 3 small bowls. Next, place the pan on the stove and add cooking oil. While waiting for the oil to heat up, chop 1 onion. Please cut it into small cubes. Add the onions to the pan and sauté over medium heat, stirring constantly until fragrant and slightly translucent. At this point, the subtly sweet aroma of the onions will begin to spread, creating a very appealing flavor profile for the dish. The stem of the eggplant can be used and chopped into small pieces. After chopping, add them to the pan and stir well with the onions. Next, finely chop the bell peppers. Bell peppers contain very high amounts of vitamin C, even more than oranges. This helps boost the immune system, heal wounds faster, promote healthy, radiant skin. Finally, add the bell peppers along with the onions and eggplant. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add a little mint to enhance the flavor of the dish. Stir well until the flavor permeates. Once the flavor has infused, take it out and use a spoon to divide it among the 3 eggplants from the beginning. Next, chop the green onions and sprinkle them on top. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now comes the most important step. Take the previously separated egg yolks and put them into each eggplant. Add another layer of green onions on top. Finally, add a layer of cheese on top. Then, place them one by one on the baking tray. Bake at approximately 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Upon opening, the aroma of eggs, cheese, and cilantro will make it hard to resist. The finished product is a commercially produced pinkish-purple pastry with a rich filling, topped with a creamy, melted layer of egg and cheese. Once cooked, slice it with a knife and enjoy. Each bite is a perfect blend of the natural sweetness of the vegetables, the richness of the eggs, and the fragrant aroma of the spices, sure to captivate you from the first bite. If you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Beat the notification bell so you don't miss out on more delicious and creative recipes. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next exciting recipes.